It works pretty good on a 2-cell, actually.
Made it stop working.
It's doing everything it should do. Is there anything unusual about it now?
I don't see anything wrong.
Okay. Let me just check the controller out here real quick and just see if there's anything that he could have had set wrong.
We didn't touch anything.
No? It just worked with the battery?
Yep.
Alright. So what's up in here? We just have to have them switch to one way?
This is ESC. It kills it. All these have to be off. Once you turn the vehicle off. Turn this on.
Okay.
Bind it to the radio.
Now you
Which
got
already is.
Okay, which it is.
And then all of these have to go on.
Turn them up
for it to work.
All right, so they all have to be in that position.
Chair. Get under the chair and try lifting it. Pull it down. The dice. You tried the carpet, it's probably lighter.
I did. It went right over it.
It didn't get. Oh, it didn't go under. Yeah, that's pretty cool. It actually is really cool. Oh, that's probably,
Yeah.
Can't really get the corner of it. Well, everything seems fine though.
It's under power, but I think it's supposed to run a 3S setting.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to find out.
No, it's fine. So, you know, I mean, the main thing is he just couldn't figure out which sticks, but let me just see. So you said this one here, you have to actually turn from red to green every time.
This is bind.
Okay.
That's your hydraulic pump.
And then this one, is this just in
Don't
a
touch
down
those.
position? No, that's a down. Is this just a neutral?
Yes, leave it alone.
All right, and that's down over there. And then over here, you labeled the hydraulic pump, and that's sort of in the middle position.
Well, when you turn this off, this has to be pushed up.
It has to be pushed up when you turn the radio on, or
off.
Why?
Because it's got a neutral safety in it, so when you turn the radio on, the pump doesn't engage. But this is up, off.
So it has to go like down and up and down and up?
Yeah, it's got to find it.
Okay, that's a little weird. So. And then over here, what is this one?
I didn't touch it.
So, do these do anything?
Nothing.
All right, so it really doesn't matter. It's really just one,
Yeah.
that one switch that you have to kind of flick up and down.
Mm-hmm.
But these guys don't really do anything. It's just that one. All right. All right, so that's kind of how it works.